Welcome back to Wild with B&G. Today we're in Arkansas, pushing through temperatures in the 30s and steady rain to chase waterfalls in the upper Buffalo wilderness. Wet trails, slick rocks, and stunning views make this trip one to remember. So grab your rain gear, let's get into the wild.
So maybe I didn't realize how cold 36 and raining would feel. And we've got enough layers, we should be good. Like, we'll be fine. Just not exactly the hike day I was daydreaming of.
All right, we made it to the Glory Hole Falls trailhead. Let's do it! It's starting to rain right now. It's supposed to rain all day. I should be using my trekking poles. You think you should put rain gear on or something?
It's like it's raining already, guys. It's been
3 minutes.
4.5 minutes.
4.5 minutes. He's waterproof now. You found it? Oh, there they are. How cool. Look how pretty it is.
Love it. It makes me so happy. Tangle. Hang on, you're moving just enough to make me more whack you. I mean,
What is wrong with my hat? Oh!
you just flung water all over yourself.
Thanks, honey.
Okay, so they said it was a pretty slick scramble to get down.
Snuggling in the rain. Have to be careful.
That's slick. Come on in, wherever you want.
How cool. This is crazy.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, it is. Seriously? Oh, man.
Guys, freaking beautiful in here.
Dude. Oh man, it's so pretty.
Look
How
at it.
cool.
It's so pretty.
Well, that was neat. I'm sad to leave it, but time to move on to the next waterfall.
To the next one, guys.
Hopefully we can find it. All right, let's hike
I'm
the
winded.
uphill battle out of here.
I'm already tired. Bad start.
You're eating your snack. It's gonna give you the fuel you need.
Snack time.
Made it back to the car. It was a 1.2 mile? No, 2.1 miles round trip, right?
2 miles.
We're gonna have to take some of these clothes off. I'm so hot. We're gonna see how waterproof all of our stuff is. Am I wet from rain or am I wet from sweat?
Yucky!
Look how foggy it is right now. We made it to the Magnolia Falls trailhead. Supposedly there's another waterfall called what? Woods Boys?
The Woods Boys.
The Woods Boys, somewhere really close. We don't know if we'll make it to that one. Or we're just trying to find one of them. I don't care which.
Just trying to find a
I just want
waterfall.
to find one. But there's not much information on the trails that we're doing today.
And there's a potential that we make a wrong turn and end up at the wrong waterfall and call it the wrong thing the entire time.
Yeah, we have no idea.
We'll
We've
figure
not
this out
been here
later when
before.
one of you tells us.
That's right. So let us know if we're at the wrong one.
Safely secure your car key, right?
Yes, please. We don't want to lose that. We would freeze to death.
We once went on a overnight hiking trip that we left our keys on top of our car.
When we came back to it, they were sitting on top of it.
Yeah.
And there were cars parked in the parking lot with us. Someone could have had a free Toyota Corolla.
Oh man, the Rolla. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you coming?
I'm getting there.
What are you doing?
Taking all of the time.
I keep thinking we're getting closer to the falls. It's just Garrett's rain suit. Keep going. Let's listen.
I think we've stumbled across creek number 1 that we're supposed to turn left at. And this is the first chance that we might be getting lost in the woods, but we'll have film of it. Okay.
I think we found him!
Found him!
I fell down.
And I didn't even get it.
Nope. Worse is the cold trek in the rain. Magnolia Falls, beautiful. Look at this, look at the rock. Fall down again.
But it's so beautiful. Oh my god.
I found you.
I found this spot. I found this dry spot.
Is this a cave for us to live in?
Oh, we live here now.
This is really cool. Oh, well, obviously there's another waterfall right there. I didn't even look at it yet.
So we've got like, I wonder if that's Magnolia and this is Woods Boys.
Maybe.
Or if this is all Magnolia and Woods Boys is further
It's somewhere
down.
further down there. Are you having a snack?
Yeah. I love snacks. Look what I found. It's been an absolute wonderful day to be out in the woods chasing waterfalls. We've learned that 38 in rain, not a big deal. Dressed in a good way. Thanks for coming along.
It might be very wet and cold outside, but it was still worth it to go on these hikes and look at these waterfalls. I'm having a great time. If you guys are too, don't forget to like and subscribe.
We made it.
On to the next waterfall.
My Lanta. There you go. Snack break time here at the trailhead of Paradise Falls. I will be having a Lunchable, and she will be having a, I think,
An expensive
fancy Lunchable.
Made it to the Paradise Falls trailhead. We made it to...
Not very far.
We made it to a split, and now we don't know which direction to go. The problem is that we really didn't have a clear, mapped out
This one I couldn't find
trail.
anything.
No, we just knew, we know they're here. The falls are falling somewhere. We just don't know if it's this path or this path.
We're going left.
We're going left.
Go for it. We're having a good time.
We don't want to stop at all.
Push back with that thing. Attacked me. Oh man.
This doesn't look like the right trail. But this trail's not.
It's pretty thorny.
It's not.
We're gonna try the other one and see how thorny it looks.
Okay. All right.
To the right.
To the right this time.
This looks like more of a trail. But Blaze, somebody marked
Oh
it.
my gosh. That tells us we're going the right way. Hopefully. I don't know what trail it's marking, but it is a trail. We're not lost.
We're just wandering.
We're just wandering.
Into the wild we go.
You fell down on your butt.
I slipped.
You think this is it?
No.
No,
No.
you don't.
We're not there.
He says we're not to the waterfall yet. Then what do you call that?
I don't see the trail anywhere.
Unless there's one over there. Look at this mushroom covered log. This must lead to Paradise Falls.
We've made it a mile in to a mile hike. We did not find Paradise Falls at all, but we found these little guys. But that's not why we're here. However, we did successfully run out of trail. Oh, cool rocks. Honey, moss rocks. Whole bunches of them.
Honey, are you getting us lost?
All game trails lead to the same waterfall.
Oh, do they?
Except for the small detail that that river's flowing the opposite direction. Tells me that's a...
Wrong turn at Albuquerque?
Which means there's a fork right over there where they join up. See? Paradise is this way.
Oh my god. He thinks paradise is this way.
We're headed for paradise.
Is this Paradise Falls?
Is this one it? Maybe. I don't know, man. I'm looking for waterfalls and these are awesome.
That's gotta be it.
That is Twisted Knee Falls.
Twisted knee. Well, because of the rocks walking up here?
And Paradise Falls is that away. So since we have to backtrack anyway, we got to Twisted Knee Falls, guys.
It is pretty.
It is pretty.
But how do we go down from here?
We just keep trying. We can probably hop across those rocks right there. We'll find a way across. We're gonna find a way across.
To what?
Well, we bushwhacked kind of to this point, so like I'm committed. I'm finding this waterfall. Holy crap.
Is that a blaze? We're on the trail?
This is the trail, I'm telling you.
How did, what?
Bro.
Does it go?
It may cross right there. And go up and over.
Go up?
Yeah. Okay, so every couple hundred yards we find a blaze.
We're lost. Don't let him fool you.
It's not dark yet, I'm not lost.
We'll be in 2 hours.
Ah, we've got 2 hours then.
There should have been a blaze across the river to make us feel better about crossing it. There is one! There's an orange one! Hey, 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 hey!
Help.
Oh my gosh.
Help.
Hold on, hold on!
Help. Oh no.
Okay.
I gotta lose some hoods here, guys. My glasses are fogging up. I can't get it off. Oh
We made it.
no. We made it, guys.
I think we made it to Paradise Falls.
Oh my. Ah, we gotta get to the bottom.
Oh man. I don't think we're getting down right there. It might wrap up and around. It does look like the trail goes up on the side of that cliff.
That?
Yeah, right there.
What's another quarter mile?
Maybe we just need to view it from around here if it doesn't keep going.
I mean, it definitely keeps going, but I don't really want to take that hillside.
Go all the way down there and then
Yeah,
come all the
no.
way back up. Well guys, we found Paradise Falls. We just can't get all the way down there.
Because I dropped my phone and have to.
And have to go down there. Hey, you gotta put your glasses on to see stuff.
They're fogged up.
It does feel like paradise.
This is the most secluded waterfall of the day.
Yeah, it
Definitely
is.
the hardest to find.
It is the hardest to get to. Right, it's time to head our way out of these woods. I don't know. Again, don't know if we're on the actual trail that we're supposed to be on, but it's the way we came, and it is 3:30 right now, so it's safest just to go the way that we came and not try a new trail right now.
Well, we made it past the first place we turned. Seems like a pretty uphill climb at this point. I know I'm feeling pretty tired after a day of hiking. Being wet and cold and sweaty and hot and tired legs. Brittany, how do you feel?
I'm ready to be in the car.
Ready to be at the car. All
My
right.
legs just feel like they can't go anymore. Maximum capacity.
Well, let's get there then.
Oh, hey, what's the road?
Hey, we found our car.
I don't think I can make it up this hill.
This one's too big.
Too steep.
I'll have to drag you over it.
Ah.
Our 1 mile hike to Paradise Falls turned into a 2.5 mile hike to Paradise Falls. And I need you to understand that was not the plan.
Yeah, man. I didn't even bring all the gear that I was going to because I thought it was such a short hike.
Oopsies. Thanks for coming along on Wild with B&G. Until next time.
All right. We made it to the glory hole.
Maybe I should handle it.